Hello everyone. Namaskaram. Dear learners, in the previous video, we were discussing about the pressure exerted by liquids. So today, we will continue with that and learn some more interesting behavior and properties shown by liquids. Next topic is liquids seek their own level. To understand this, let us set up an apparatus as shown in the picture on the screen. For that, we take 5 tubes of various shapes which are connected to each other by one single horizontal pipe. Now, after fixing the apparatus, we pour the water through any one of the vertical tubes. So we will observe that the level of water is same in all the tubes. So this small experiment proves that liquids seek their own level irrespective of the shape of the vessel. Which means vessel का shape चाहे कैसा भी हो, लिक्विड्स सारे के सारे वेसल्स में अगर वो सारे कनेक्टेड हैं एक सेम लेवल ऑक्यूपाई करते हैं. This fact is utilized in supplying water to a locality. The storage tank is made at a higher level than the buildings around it. The water flowing from this tank tries to seek its level and hence rises up through the pipes fitted in each building. So it is because of this factor that we are able to get water from the storage tank in our buildings. Now we move on to one most important law, which is the Pascal's law. Pascal's law states that when pressure is applied to any part of an enclosed liquid, it is transmitted equally in all directions with undiminished force and acts at right angles to the surface of vessel. So now let's understand Pascal's law in pieces. The first line was when pressure is applied to any part of an enclosed liquid, which means कि अगर हमने एक enclosed liquid लिया है, the word enclosed is important. Enclosed माने वो liquid चारों तरफ से बंद होना चाहिए, तभी ये लॉ वैलिड होगा. सो अगर हमने एक enclosed liquid लिया है and if we apply pressure to any part of it, then now the next line was it is transmitted equally in all directions with undiminished force, which means that if we have fulfilled the above conditions क्या थी? The liquid must be enclosed and we must apply pressure to any part of it. So if it is so, then तो लिक्विड सभी डायरेक्शंस में इक्वली ट्रांसमिट होगा बिना किसी फोर्स के डिमिनिश हुए. डिमिनिश मीन्स रिडक्शन इन द फोर्स. So without any reduction in the force, the liquid will be transmitted equally in all the directions. Now the third part of the statement was and acts at right angles to the surface of vessel, which means कि ये जो प्रेशर लिक्विड लगा रहा है सभी डायरेक्शंस में विथ अनडिमिनिश्ड फोर्स, ये प्रेशर वेसल के सरफेस पर परपेंडिकुलरली लगता है. Perpendicularly means it acts at 90 degrees or at right angles. So Pascal's law कहता है कि अगर हम एक enclosed liquid लें और उस enclosed liquid के किसी एक पार्ट पर प्रेशर अप्लाई करें तो हमारे द्वारा अप्लाई किया गया प्रेशर ट्रांसमिट होगा सभी डायरेक्शंस में इक्वली बिना किसी फोर्स के रिडक्शन के, और ये जो प्रेशर है वो वेसल के सरफेस के परपेंडिकुलरली लगेगा. दिस लॉ इज़ वेरी क्लियर फ्रॉम द पिक्चर विच इज़ डिस्प्लेड ऑन द स्क्रीन. So you can see that and then again read the statement and then try to understand it. Let us now see some consequences of pressure in liquids. The first, it has been found that when deep sea fishes are brought up to the surface, their bodies burst. Which means वो fishes जिनको डीप सी में रहने की आदत होती है, अगर हम उनको सरफेस पर लेकर आएँ तो उनकी बॉडीज़ बर्स्ट कर जाती हैं. So why does this happen? It is because the blood in their bodies flows at a very high pressure. However, when these fishes are brought to the surface, the pressure outside suddenly decreases. This difference in pressure bursts open their bodies. This means कि फ़िशेस की बॉडीज़, ऐसे फ़िशेस की बॉडीज़ में जो ब्लड होता है उसका प्रेशर बहुत हाई होता है बिकॉज उन्हें डीप सी में रहने की आदत है. एंड डीप सी, द मोर इज़ विल बी द डेप्थ, द मोर विल बी द प्रेशर. वी हैड ऑलरेडी लर्नड दैट. सो उनकी बॉडीज़ में जो ब्लड है वो हाई प्रेशर पर होता है. नाउ व्हेन दीज फिशेस आर ब्रॉट टू द सरफेस, द डेप्थ ऑफ द वाटर डिक्रीजेस एंड सो डज द प्रेशर. सो ऊपर आने पर प्रेशर कम हो जाता है बट जो उनका ब्लड प्रेशर है वो उतना ही रहता है. सो अ प्रेशर डिफरेंस गेट्स क्रिएटेड. ब्लड का प्रेशर बहुत हाई होता है, ऊपर जो प्रेशर लग रहा है वो बहुत कम होता है, इसलिए ब्लड प्रेशर एक्सीड कर जाता है ऊपर के सरफेस पे लगने वाले प्रेशर से. तो उस एक्सीडेड ब्लड प्रेशर की वजह से फिशेस की बॉडीज़ बर्स्ट कर जाती हैं. Next example. Deep sea divers have to wear specially designed suits. Why? Because otherwise the huge pressure of water will crush their bodies. This is because we have already learned that more the depth of water, more is the pressure. So when these divers dive deep into the sea, the depth of the water is much more, because of which the pressure exerted on their bodies is very large. So these special suits prevent their bodies from the extreme huge pressure of the water. So this is why they wear specially designed suits. The third example. The hulls of submarines are specially strengthened to bear huge pressure of the sea water. The hulls of submarines means the outer framework of submarine, the outer body, not the inner part. So these hulls are specially strengthened. Why? Because these submarines have to go deep inside the seas and oceans. And we know at the pressure at a greater depth is much more. So to bear the huge pressure of water down deep into the sea, their hulls are specially designed and strengthened. Next example, the walls of the dam are specially thickened from the base so as to withstand huge pressure. Again, this is because we know that greater the depth of the liquid, greater will be the pressure exerted. So, the walls of the dam are made very thick at the bottom, at the base, because the pressure exerted at the base is much more than that exerted on the upper surface. So as to withstand this huge pressure, the wall is made much thicker at the base. So, with this we come to the end of Unit 2 of this chapter. We will begin Unit 3 in the upcoming next video. Till then, breathe positivity and stay healthy. Thank you all for being here. Goodbye.